Hi guys, this is Izumi from Beauty Elements. I'd like to show you today Décolleté Neck lymphatic drainage massage. This is the easiest, quickest massage in the morning or night. I hope you enjoy my video. And also, you can follow us Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, or subscribe our Beauty Elements channel. Thank you. Okay, let's grab some cream or oil, whatever you prefer, and then warm it up with your palm because cream sometimes it's so hard, so make sure it makes it soften, and then you can start apply on your neck area or décolleté area, whatever you prefer, but spread it everywhere and make sure it goes to chest area and jawline too. And you can start drain. Use the 3-4 finger and place your point finger below the collarbone, and always goes inner to out. And scissors, point finger is upper collarbone and the middle finger is below the collarbone. And so always go inner to outer and circle, circle. But make sure don't pull your skin. Always gentle. So there's a breastbone. You can go massage inner to outer. You can circle or you can go straight inner to outer. But always your hands straight. Your finger and palm always attach in your skin. And there is a big muscle behind the ear. You might be able to grab the muscle because it's very thick. So the muscle you need to stimulate because that muscle is always holding your heavy head. It's get tired and it causes facial puffiness. So make sure you always place your finger behind the ear and come down, straight down or circle, whatever you prefer and easier for you. But make sure you don't need to pull. Don't pull your skin, and good amount of pressure, not too hard. And don't forget your neck area. Goes up and it goes down. And stimulate the muscle. Increase the blood circulation and the lymph. And goes décolleté, drain, drain. And that area, this area, show that a lot of aging signs, saggy, wrinkle. So you can massage this little area. Use that point finger. There's a thick area you can apply and circle, but please don't press too hard because you might feel choking or start coughing. And you can go jawline and massage. Make sure you, after massage, you go down, drain all the toxin and water. So this massage helps right before the facial massage because it stimulates and it opens up a big lymph. And it helps wrinkle on your neck too. So it can be prevent or reduce the wrinkle. So make sure you always massage this area first. I hope you enjoy this neck and décolleté massage. Enjoy me care. Thank you for watching Beauty Elements channel. Don't forget subscribe Beauty Elements Hawaii.